Hello, this is Professor BRB, and today we're going to take a quick look at a brand new feature that Adobe has added to InDesign Creative Cloud 2015. At this recording in October 2015, it's a brand new feature and we're all still learning it. It's what Adobe calls a technology preview, which means that it's still under development. This is a catalog that I designed for my college art gallery last year. This is the front and back cover spread out. I've just published it online, and as I click my back and forward buttons, I move through this, and we see that each double page spread is reproduced very well. I think it looks great. And the amazing thing is that it just took one click to publish this online. And now I can send this web link right up here to anyone I please, and they can view this online. Now, it's pretty amazing. Let's see how I did it. So we're going to go to InDesign and look at my document. And here we're going to talk about a few of the things you have to consider when you're going to publish something online. This is my original document, InDesign document for the inside of the catalog. And you can see it's quite an extensive catalog. It's 142 pages. It's a facing pages. It's a facing pages design. Many different pages here. Lots and lots of color illustrations and a very specific grid-oriented layout. Because this was originally a print project, the cover is in a separate file because the cover, right here, this was the cover, original cover file, and that had to be separate because the printer prints that on a different kind of paper than the insides. In order to publish this online, what I had to do was a little bit of page shuffling. So when I got my interior pages here, you can see that the cover isn't showing. So what I did was I turned off Allow Document Pages to Shuffle and Allow Selected Spread to Shuffle. And I added some pages to the front of my document, and then I cut and pasted my catalog into it. So what I ended up, and I had to delete one page at the top because I wanted it to begin at a full spread, and this is what I ended up with. My cover here, and then the inside of the document, the table of contents, and all of the pages with the content following. And here's what's so amazing is how easy it is to publish online. If you have your InDesign open and you look up here in your application bar, if you see this button, Publish Online, then you can just click that once and publish it online. It should be right to the left of your workspace selector. Now, if you do not see this, it means that you probably do not have the very latest version of InDesign Creative Cloud, and you need to go to your Creative Cloud app and update. So just go ahead and update if you don't have this feature because it's brand new. And we're going to try live here publishing my typography guide, which is something that I use with my students. And why not publish it online? So I have my typography guide here. Now you'll see this is quite a much more simple document than the catalog. And it's not a facing pages document. It is a single page document. So that's going to be a little bit different. So let's go here and just click Publish Online. And you can see we get a title. And I'm going to add a little description here. Just a very simple little description. And I can choose a page range here, all, that's what I want. And in this case, I want to just export pages. For the last project, I exported spreads because I wanted the double page spread to show. But in this case, there's no spread, so I'll just go to Pages, and we have a few more things here in Advanced. You can choose your cover thumbnail, the first page, that's fine. You can change some of your image settings here, and you can change your resolution. I think I'm going to raise this up just in case someone has a high resolution device. You can change your image quality here, and you can change your options for GIF. So I think that's fine the way it is. I'm just going to click OK. And now you can see I've got the little spinning wheel, and it's just doing everything for me here. The catalog took a bit longer because that was a very complicated document with a lot of pictures. But it looks to me like this one is going pretty quickly. I think I had a PDF here where I did, oh, no, wait, hold on. Here we go. Document was successfully uploaded. View document. And here we are. So this is my document, and I can go through it with my arrow keys, or I can also use this little indicator here. And there's my document in full color. So if I want to share this, oh, here I have thumbnails here. I can navigate through it this way. That's cool. Now this is stored on the Adobe servers, and exactly the details of how that's going to work, I think, are still being worked out. But here, for example, I just clicked copy here and nothing seemed to happen, and I don't know why this is. I can share it on Facebook and Twitter, or I can email it to someone through these. As I said, I don't know why this copy button isn't working, but we can very easily get that link by just opening it in a browser and copying. So now I can give anyone that link and they can view this. They can't download it. I'm not sure exactly what format Adobe is using here. I think it is probably a fixed layout EPUB. And what you're going to be asking is, well, how can I get back to this? What if I want to unpublish it? And if you go under the File menu in InDesign, you're going to notice some new features here. It says here, recently published, and I can go to it, and it's going to show it to me. And then if I want to manage or delete, I go back here to this new feature, Web Dashboard. When I go to Web Dashboard, it gives me a dashboard where I can see now my 2 publications. And it also gives me the ability to delete. If I mouse over these, I've got a little trash can. Now, I do not know if Adobe eventually is going to charge for this service, or if this is included, as it is right now, with Creative Cloud. But right now, I think this is a really, really awesome feature. And one thing that does puzzle me a little is in the Adobe demonstration that I looked at, it said that interactive features would be preserved in this Publish Online. But in this book, this is an interactive table of contents, which works fine in the PDF, but I notice when I click on these, I get an error. So I think there are still some details to be worked out with this new feature. And as I learn more, I'll post another video and tell you what I find out. So I encourage you to update your InDesign and try this new feature. I can see a lot of uses for it. For example, for letting clients proofread and approve documents, this would be a great way to do it. And also to just publish your documents online so that anyone can see them. So have a good time, and if you learn anything new about this brand new feature, post it in the comments on this video, and let's learn together.